how yoga helps with poor sleep, body pain, and low energy. So, this video is for you to see in this video, as I want to welcome you. As in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 problems because of which every human being, you are so irritated, frustrated. This is poor sleep, body and joint pain, and low energy fatigue. And if it is high energy, it is stress. So energy is a problem. So if whole night you are turning here and there, and even in the morning you feel body pain, tiredness, yoga is for you. Only 7 to 8 minutes, and I will tell you such yoga poses which will relax your system. Muscles will open and energy level will boost. So one is the belly breathing. Just sit, put your hands on your thighs and inhale from nose, and your balloon, your stomach, your this area, when you are inhaling it goes out, and when you are exhaling it goes in. So as you make this breath slow, relaxed, the stress is dissolving in your head. Just this belly breathing. Now second is butterfly pose, just for 40 seconds. You have to actually like this, close your legs, and then you have to flap. Consider this is my legs and there's a picture here. So this causes great release. The third thing, just 1 minute, not taking much of your time, is raising your leg. As you raise your leg in this pose on the wall or anywhere taking support, the blood circulation improves, the heart rate slows down, and the body goes into deep relaxation mode. This pose signals your brain that this is the time for rest, and it is like so good, it's rest. Now body and joint pain relief. For here also I will tell you few poses. Now the fourth pose in this video is for 1 minute, the cat cow pose. Here the spine mobility. This is the king of spine mobility pose. Cat is background and cow is chest open. Can you see joint stiffness and back? For back this is best. The fifth pose only you have to do for 1 minute. This is child pose. Your lower back, hips, shoulders, every portion is relaxing with slow breathing. Also what you can do is another thing which you can do is gentle twist. Like bring your knees, both the knees together at one side and then the neck on the other side. And like this oppositely you have to do this for 40 seconds. This helps. Now in this video, after all these 5-6 poses which I have told you, I want to talk about energy boost routines. Sun breaths 30 seconds. Hands up, inhaling while inhaling down, and while exhaling your instant oxygen level increases. Now mountain and forward bending poses, as you see, just for 50 seconds, only 50 seconds. The flowing movement, the tiredness, it shakes off, it goes off. If you do these small routine poses which I have said, you will get deep sleep at night, and morning you will get a fresh, energetic. Body and joint pain, slowly it will reduce. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. Naheed Khan. I'm a time audit coach. I'm a neuroeducationist and hypnotherapist. Now here when I talk about time audit, it is for everyone. We have to decide our timelines because the brain works on repetition and the brain works more on law of conservation of energy. So the more you are structured, the brain has clarity and focus. So time audit is working on time, your identity, that is your personality, which is running your every area, every thought, every feeling, every mood, every action. And M is here money. Money is the financial GPS on planet Earth. So we need to learn more and more. And sessions like this and with coaches like me, you get evolved and transformed with new learning, with new perspective view. E is energy. Here I work on sleep, a diet with a team of trainers. Diet also is there, and here as you see there is for you this yoga session. So what you have to do, you have to first try it out, sending a DM trial, and we will give you a link where you can book your demo. And once you like it, you can jump in, choose your trainer, Choose your time and with a very economical, reasonable fees. Daily 1 hour you do yoga, which is making human postures, body postures, as your body needs mobility, with breathing, with meditation. There is a variety with aerobics, with sun salutation, which is called Surya Namaskar, and with face yoga. So you get a variety when you do these classes. So it's fun also. And you feel happy, joyous. So anybody who is ready for the trial, just DM me, comment trial.